In the previous video, we understood the title bar in AutoCAD 2027. We saw how it shows the AutoCAD version and the name of the drawing file we are currently working on. Now, in this video, we'll move to the next part of the AutoCAD interface, which is AutoCAD info bar. The info bar is located at the top right side of the AutoCAD screen. It includes the search box, AutoCAD account area, help option, and few other icons. As a beginner, you don't need to use this area all the time, but still important to understand what it does. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the info bar in a simple way. Look at the top right side of the AutoCAD screen. This area is called info bar. Depending on your AutoCAD version and the screen size, the icon may look slightly different, but the purpose is mostly same. This area is mainly used for searching commands, accessing help, checking your Autodesk account, and using Autodesk related services. So unlike the ribbon, this is not where you draw a line, circle, or edit object. The info bar is more about help, account, search, and support. The first important part of the info bar is the search box. You may see a box that says something like type a keyword or a phrase. This search box helps you to search for a command or a help topic inside the AutoCAD. For example, if you are looking for a line, circle command or any tool and you don't know where it is, you can type the keyword. AutoCAD then show you related commands, help topics or suggestion. This can be useful when you are learning and you forgot where the command is located. But in this course, you don't need to depend on the random search. I'll show you each important tool step by step, where it is located, what it does, and how to use it properly. So for now, just remember, the search boxes help you to find AutoCAD commands and help with the topics. Next, you may see Autodesk account icon or your sign-in email near the top right side. This shows which AutoCAD account is currently signed in. If you are using the student version, trial version, or subscribed version of the AutoCAD, this account area is connected with the license and Autodesk services. As a beginner, you don't need to click this area off. Just understand that this shows your Autodesk account information. You may also see a help icon, usually shown as a question mark icon. This is used to access AutoCAD help and support information. If you click on it, AutoCAD may open help resources, learning topics, documentation, and support options. This can be useful when you want to understand a command in more detail. But again, as a beginner, don't worry about reading everything from the help sections right now. AutoCAD has a lot of features and it can feel overwhelming if you are trying to learn everything at once. In this course, we'll focus on what you need to understand step by step. You may also see a few other small icons in the info bar, such as notification icons, Autodesk service icon, app-related icon, or online resources icon. These icons can change depending on your AutoCAD setup, license, updates, and account status. For a beginner, the most important thing is not to get distracted by every icon. Most of our actual drawing work will happen in drawing area, and most of our drawing tools will come from ribbon and command. The info bar is helpful, but it is not the main area we're gonna use for drawing. The info bar is useful when you need a help, want to search a command, check your account, or access the AutoCAD related option. For example, if you forgot where command is located, the search box can help you to find it. If you need help with the tool, the help icon can guide you. If you want to confirm your account, the account area shows that information. So the info bar is like a small support area at the top of the AutoCAD. It's not something you will use every minute, but it is good to know where it is and what it does. So let's summarize the info bar. The info bar is located at the top right side of the AutoCAD screen. The search box helps you to search for commands and help topics. The AutoCAD account area shows your sign-in account information. The help icons give you access to AutoCAD help and support. Other small icons may appear depending on your version, license, and AutoCAD services. As a beginner, just remember that the info bar is mainly used for search, help, account, and Autodesk related options. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Look at the top right side of your AutoCAD screen and find the info bar. Move your mouse over the search box and icon slowly. AutoCAD will show you small tool tips and tells you what each icon does. Try typing a small keywords like line or circle in the search box just to see how AutoCAD shows the suggestion. You don't need to change anything or any setting today. Just explore the area and become familiar with it. So this is the info bar in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, you don't need to use it every day, but you should know that it helps with command search, help, account information, and Autodesk services. In the next video, we'll move to one of the most important part of the AutoCAD interface, the ribbon. The ribbon contains most of the drawing and editing tools we will use throughout this course, including line, circle, move, copy, trim, layers, dimension, and many more. So in the next lesson, we'll understand the ribbon in a simple way and see why it is important for learning AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next lesson.